Greetings. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we will be mixing simplification together with factorization. The problem for today says, simplify the following algebraic functions and factorize your answer completely. This is the expression that is given to us. Here is the solution for this expression. Solution. Okay. The solution to this expression, if you can look carefully, this part, we have p squared plus 2p over p squared minus 2p. If you can take out p as a common factor on the top part, p plus 2, and here it will be p into p minus 2. So this part can be factored into this, and then a division can be converted into multiplication by swapping the denominator into making p a numerator, the numerator becomes a denominator. So here it will be p squared minus 4p plus 4 all over p squared minus 4, and then here if you multiply, you take a denominator becomes a numerator becomes a denominator. So it becomes p squared plus 4p plus 4 all over 2p squared plus 4p. So here these 2p divides, so we are left with p plus 2 over p minus 2. This one can be factored into a p minus 2 squared all over. This one is a difference of 2 squared. You can write p is a p squared, and the 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. So here we have a difference of 2 squares, of which is p plus 2 p minus 2. And when you multiply here, if you want to factorize this, so you want the factors, when you multiply them they give you the constant, but when you add them they give you the middle term. What are those factors? It's p plus 2, p plus 2 all over. Here, if you can look carefully, you can factor out 2p. You can take 2p as a common factor, and then here you have 2p squared to divide by 2p, and here you have 4 plus 4p you divide by 2p. So what is the result? Here p plus 2 over p minus 2. Here I have p minus 2 times p minus 2, meaning I have 2p minus 2s. So the first one, because I have 2, the first one will cancel with this one. So I will be left with p minus 2 over p plus 2. So these are the factors that I have. And here, if you can, okay, here it's p plus 2, p plus 2 all over is 2p. Here, if I divide the 2, I'm left with p. If I divide the 2, I'm left with 2. So as a result, I can multiply this one. So these 2 cancels and these 2 cancels, meaning I have 1 times here this p plus 1 plus 2, and this p plus 2 cancels. Here I'm left with p plus 2 all over 2p. So the answer is p plus 2 over 2p. You can continue. This is equivalent to p over 2p plus 2 over 2p, which is equivalent to 1 over 2 plus 1 over p. This is the factorize expression. I hope this video was fruitful. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you press the bell button in case we upload something, you become notified. Stay tuned.